Chinese drones are among the most sophisticated in the world and probably only slightly behind US military drones, which are generally not available for sale. Advanced drones have been playing a more crucial role in the Middle East as the region contends with security uncertainties amid the Israel-Gaza war, which followed a deadly raid on Israeli border towns by Palestinian militant group Hamas on October 7. Hamas launched drone strikes on 2 Israeli military bases in southern Israel last month, while Israel's drone strikes in southern Lebanon on Tuesday reportedly killed 4 Hamas members. The United States, Israel's top ally, believes Iran is a major sponsor for multiple Islamist militant groups, supplying them with training and weapons. China has exported more than 280 combat UAVs in the past decade. At least 8 countries from the Middle East to North Africa and South Asia have been the major buyers of Chinese drones such as the Wing Lung I and II, and the CH-3 and CH-4. They include Algeria, Egypt, Iraq, Jordan, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, as well as Pakistan. The thing to watch is what drones use artificial intelligence for guidance. They are on the market and are preferred. Given their proven value on the battlefield, the combination of high quality and lower cost make Chinese drones very attractive for militaries in the region. President Xi Jinping has pledged that China will continue integrated development of the military through mechanization, informatization, and the application of smart technologies. We will speed up the development of unmanned, intelligent combat capabilities, and promote coordinated development and application of network information systems. The takeoff of China's drone industry and its global strategic layout. China's drone technology has developed rapidly in the past few years, especially in the military field, where significant progress has been made. With technological innovation and leaps in intelligence, drones produced in China not only deeply serve the domestic market, but have also won a prominent position internationally. Especially in actual combat tests in the Middle East, Chinese-made drones have gained international recognition for their excellent performance, triggering a wave of purchases from many countries. Among them, the Wing Lung and Rainbow series are particularly popular. As a leader in China's export history, the Rainbow series of UAVs has left a profound mark on the world since it went abroad in 2003. So far, this series of drones has soared into the skies of many countries, serving more than 20 customers in total, and has become a well-known brand in the drone industry with more than 200 deliveries per year. Its widespread deployment and application fully proves China's milestone achievements in the field of drones. Drones for the commercial market are weaponized, and China's lead in the commercial drone market gives it an advantage. The thing to watch is what drones use artificial intelligence for guidance. They are on the market and are preferred. Given their proven value on the battlefield, the combination of high quality and lower cost make Chinese drones very attractive for militaries in the region. The Wing Lung UAV is carefully built by the Aviation Industry Corporation of China. Since its debut in 2008, it has become a shining business card of China's foreign military exports with its excellent performance and reliability. This UAV has shown amazing durability and attack power in practical applications. In its 8 consecutive years of service, its sturdy body has not suffered serious damage, which is enough to keep global competitors in the field behind. The encounter of Turkish tanks in Libya further demonstrated the influence of Wing Lung drones on the battlefield. When the United Arab Emirates decided to send pterosaurs to attack these tanks, their precise strike capabilities and battlefield performance were witnessed by the world. 12 tanks were reduced to scrap metal under the precise attack of the Wing Lung drone. This incident not only reflects the important role of drones in modern warfare, but also reflects China's maturity in this technological field. In addition to its significant role on the battlefield, Wing Lung drones are also active in the field of counterterrorism. The practical application in Egypt and other countries has proven the high efficiency and accuracy of this drone in combating non-traditional security threats. Videos circulating on the internet of combating terrorist organizations have made the reputation of pterosaur drones widely known internationally. At the same time, with the advent of the new version of Pterosaur ID, its improvements in detection and load capabilities indicate a greater role in the future anti-terrorism battlefield. In terms of global strategic layout, China is not satisfied with just exporting technology. By setting up CH-4 drone factories in Pakistan and Myanmar, China has extended its drone manufacturing tentacles overseas. Such a layout not only accelerates the international spread of drone technology, but also further consolidates China's leading position in the global drone market. Unlike other countries, China's drone export policy demonstrates its stability independent of domestic political fluctuations and its immunity to intellectual property challenges. Therefore, China not only occupies a leading position in the global drone manufacturing industry, but is also gradually becoming an important force in promoting technological innovation on a global scale. With large-scale military drone exports, China is establishing its new identity as an industrial power in this area. China's drone industry has developed rapidly over the past few years and has made significant progress. Drones produced in China not only serve the domestic market deeply, but have also won a prominent position internationally. Especially after passing actual combat tests in the Middle East, Chinese-made drones have gained international recognition for their excellent performance, triggering a wave of purchases from many countries. The Rainbow series and Wing Lung drones are particularly popular. The Rainbow series has leapt to many countries and become a well-known brand. The Wing Lung UAV has become a shining business card of China's foreign military exports due to its durability and attack power, showing amazing influence on the battlefield. In addition, Wing Lung UAVs are also active in the field of counter-terrorism, demonstrating high efficiency and accuracy in combating non-traditional security threats. In addition to technology export, China has also accelerated the international spread of drone technology and consolidated its global market leadership by setting up factories overseas. Unlike other countries, China's drone export policy is stable and immune to intellectual property challenges, making it an important force in promoting technological innovation. With large-scale exports of military drones, China is establishing a new identity as an industrial power.